Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about pattern matching with literal values. So let's get started. Pattern matching is another method of flow control like if-else statement. Pattern matching also returns single value. So if I talk about the syntax of pattern matching, then this is the syntax for pattern matching. Uh, as you can see here, we can have one input expression or one condition part here. Then we have this match statement. After that, we have multiple cases, right? And then we have this else statement. So if this condition is true, then the corresponding statements or code will execute. If this condition one is not true, then it will go and check for second condition, or you can say second case. If this condition is, if this condition 2 is true, then it will execute this piece of code. Likewise, we can have other condition or you can say other cases as well. So you can have as many as cases here. There is no limitation. Okay. So we'll see this example in DataWeave Playground. So let me take you to the DataWeave Playground. Okay. So as you can see here, we have this payload where action is y, right? So we have access that value by, and now we have these three cases here. So what it does basically, it will match this value of this payload.action containing value by, so it will match every case. So when it matches first case, so first case itself containing the value by, or you can say case 1 having literal value, that is by, so it matches with case 1. So this piece of code like buy at market price will execute. So you can see we are getting this buy at market price as an output. Likewise, if I change it to hold, then you will see uh, it will execute case one by one. So first case is not matching with literal value, because literal value here in this, at this part we have literal value hold, so it is matching this value hold with every case. So first case having literal value y, second sale, and third hold, so it matches with third case. So that is why it executes this piece of code. You can see hold asset. So that is how your like literal pattern matching works. So if you can see, we have this else statement here. If none of the case matches, right, then it will go for this else statement. If I change it to like anything like A, B, C, okay, then you can see none of the cases here matches with uh this value, okay, this ABS value. That is why it is executing else statement and we are getting invalid input as an output. So there is one more thing. If I remove this else statement, then what will happen? It will give us error. What is the error? None of the match cases matched, right? Tip: use else expression to match other cases. It is also, you can see it is giving us hint that use else case, right? Or you can say use else statement. So that is why this else statement is mandatory. You cannot write this uh, match statement without else. This is the one thing, but here there is one more thing. With every case, you can use string value, numbers, and boolean value. So in this example, I have used a string value. Let me show you another example. Yeah, here in this example, I have used numbers, right? So you can see we have number variable containing value 10. So this variable, this number variable I have used here in our DataWeave script. So when this match statement executes, then it will match uh, every case with this value number. So first case having value 1, it doesn't match with number, so it will not execute first. Likewise, it will match with second case containing value 5 but number containing 10, So it does also doesn't match, then it will go for the third case. It is containing a literal value 10 that matches with this number value, number variable containing value 10. So that is why it executes this case 10. So that is how your match statement or literal pattern matching works. I hope it will help you to understand this topic. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.